Hey, Chaz here again to Toilet Beasley's Pre-Owned. I know I got my cap on today. It's a little cold today, but we're getting ready to go into nice warm weather. This is our thrust month. Going to start our big sales campaign that we have. But we've got some great cars. I'm actually showing you some that we've traded for, haven't been cleaned up yet. This is a rare bird right here. This is a 2025 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. I don't even have one in stock. But this is a low mileage car, a local trade-in, has less than 12,000 miles. This has got a lot of extras. It's got the blind spot monitor, cross traffic alert, and when you ever going to open up a Toyota and see leather interior with the power seat. But another great benefit, this is gold certified. You're going to gain, and you have 7 years from the day you drive off up to a total of 100,000 miles worth of coverage on the engine, transmission, drive axle, plus 7 years of roadside assistance. What do I like this? Property tax insurance is going to be less. This is a great buy at $27,950. Look at it with the sporty wheels and everything. Got a lot of room in the hatchback, so there's a great opportunity. The next one I'm going to show you are a great Tundra truck, but look at this. This is a 23 model. This is the 1794 edition, so it's got everything in it. Got the beautiful gray exterior with a beige leather. And you've got dual power seats. You've got the ventilated seats. This thing's loaded. It's got a panoramic roof. I mean, just phenomenally loaded. Only 31,000 miles, a local trade-in. That is extremely low miles. Again, it's gonna got all the options on it. You're probably looking at $80,000 on this truck new. We've got it on sale for $59,950. That is the deal. And again, a few years old, you're gonna save on property tax insurance, but this thing's loaded. Rides like a dream, gives good fuel economy. It's got the twin turbos on the engine. Our sales are really picking up on this new style truck. People are getting accustomed to it. They like the way it looks. So come in, give us a shout. My number is 864-343-3057, and we'll keep you updated as we get new inventory. Thank you, Jake.
Thank you, Jazz.